In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban project in Goodday. We'll walk through the entire process together from the main Goodday interface, so you can quickly set up a visual board for managing your tasks and workflows. Make sure you're logged into your Goodday account and on your main workspace or My Task page before we begin. First, look to the left side of your screen for a small plus sign. This plus sign is used to create new items in Goodday. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. Whenever you want to start something new, like a project or task, this is usually your starting point, so it's worth remembering where it is. After clicking the plus sign, a small menu will open. From that menu, choose the option labeled Project. This tells Goodday that you want to create a brand new project space, not just a single task or subtask. Selecting project is important because a Kanban board in Goodday is set up at the project level. Once you've selected project, you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose a template. Templates help you get started faster with pre-configured layouts. On this screen, look for and click on Template Library. This opens up the full collection of templates that Goodday provides, so you can pick the one that matches the way you want to work. Inside the template library, scroll until you find the option for Kanban. The Kanban template is designed to give you a board with columns that represent different stages of your workflow, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click on Kanban to select it. Using this template saves you time and gives you a clear visual overview of your tasks right away. After selecting the Kanban template, you'll see a field where you can type in the name of your new project. Click into that name field and type a clear descriptive title that matches the work you'll manage on this board. For example, you might name it after a specific team, client, or initiative. A good name makes it easier for you and your teammates to recognize the project later. When you're happy with the project name, look for the Submit button and click on it. This confirms your choices and creates your new Kanban project in Goodday. After a moment, your Kanban board will appear, ready for you to start